Protein is an essential nutrient that helps repair muscles, supports our immune system, and keeps us energized. So for many people who are cutting down on meat consumption, protein powder seems like a great solution, right? But here's the big question. Can protein powder actually substitute meat in your diet? To answer this question, we need to look a little bit closer at what protein powder actually contains. Protein powders come from different sources: whey and casein from milk, soy and pea from plants, and even rice or hemp proteins. They're processed, ground into a fine powder, and sometimes mixed with flavorings, vitamins, or additives. One scoop can provide 20 to 30 grams of protein, the same as a chicken breast. So, in terms of pure protein, powders look like an easy swap. But here's where the comparison gets tricky. Meat isn't just protein. It also provides other nutrients like iron, which carries oxygen in your blood, zinc, which supports healing and immunity, vitamin B12, which keeps nerves and blood cells healthy. These are nutrients many protein powders don't naturally contain unless they're fortified. And deficiencies, especially in iron and B12, can lead to fatigue, weakness, and long-term health problems. So, why do people love protein powder? Well, it's convenient as there is no cooking required, and it's versatile as you can mix it into smoothies, porridge, or even baked goods. And for athletes, it's a quick way to repair muscles after training. Plus, for vegetarians or vegans, plant-based protein powders can help bridge the protein gap without relying on meat at all. But relying solely on protein powder has downsides. It lacks the fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats found in whole foods. Some powders are highly processed and can include sugars, artificial flavorings, or fillers. And depending on the brand, heavy metals like lead or arsenic have occasionally been found in low-quality powders. So, replacing meat entirely with powders means missing out on important nutrients and risking over-reliance on a supplement. So, can protein powder replace meat completely? Not really. Protein powder is best seen as a supplement, not a substitute. It works well alongside a balanced diet, especially if you also eat beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and vegetables. For those reducing or avoiding meat, the smartest approach is variety. Try to combine different plant proteins and use protein powder as a top-up. Use protein powder when you need convenience. Don't depend on it as your only protein source. Choose whole foods whenever possible. They give you the extra nutrients powders don't. And if you're going meat-free, plan your meals carefully to get enough iron, B12, and zinc. So, protein powder can support your diet, but it can't fully replace meat. Think of it as a supportive option, useful, convenient, but not a complete substitute for real nutrient-rich foods. The smartest approach is to use protein powder in moderation, pair it with a wide variety of whole foods, and aim for a diet that truly nourishes your body. We hope you found the information in this video useful.